All right, I have this Milwaukee 3/8 impact, and I really like it. It's great. It does a great job. I don't know the exact model number, but the hog ring or the ring here fell off, and I ordered these set of 4. It comes with a O-ring on the inside and the ring. These are not the right. This stuff does not fit. I tried it on a dozen times, or tried to get it to work a dozen times. I filed it down, did all kinds of stuff. That doesn't work. I did order this, and this is, so I tried to press this down onto that. I used the vise to do it, and it won't come over the lip on that end. So what I believe I'm going to do is I'm going to try to press it from the end into it with the vise. So I'm going to set that up, and if I have any luck, maybe I'll bend this ring. This ring was like $6 just for one. Here's the packaging. That's the part number, also from China. So that's one of the ones that doesn't fit. And you can see it's just, this is too wide. This part's too wide. So this probably should work. Okay, so I'm gonna get a better grasp of it, like half of it. Ha! That went real smooth. Now I'm gonna crimp this down because it did make it a little bit bigger than I hoped. Well, I mean, I knew it was gonna stretch it a little bit, but haha. All right, so that worked out pretty good. Hope this video helps you. If it does, please subscribe to my channel because that helps me and I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.